Number 26, data set A and data set B. Two graphs or histograms are given to us. Okay. First one, y-axis is frequencies as usual, and x-axis, that means data here is integer. And let's see the question. Two data sets of 23 integers, each are summarized in the histogram shown. For each of the histograms, the first interval represents the frequency of integers greater than or equal to 10 but less than 20. Okay, so if we want to write them in intervals, like, so it's greater than or equal to 10 but less than 20, because 20 is not included, so we will put them in open bracket. And if we notice one more point, because we are talking about integers, so we know that integer which is less than 20 is 19. So I can also write this integer as 10 to, in this interval as 10 to 19. Okay. The second interval represents the frequency of integers greater than or equal to 20 but less than 30. So that means second interval says greater than or equal to 20 but less than 30, and integer which is less than 30 is 29. So I can write the interval like this, and so on. That means next will be 30 to 39, and then 40 to 49, and then 50 to 59, because there are total up to 60. Okay, so this is how we are going to take the intervals, information taken. What is the smallest possible differences between the mean of the data set A and the mean of the data set B? See, that means we have to find the difference of the mean. That means the mean of the data set A, we have to find the difference in mean of data set B. Okay, that is clear. But the point is, what is the smallest possible difference? This is a catch here. Smallest possible difference. So how we can find the smallest possible? Okay, let's see the question. I have pasted two of them like separately, data sets, so that we can identify. Now first let's write the bins, right? So it's from 10 to 19. 10 to 19. And what is the frequency here? 0. Its frequency is 0. And second one is 20 to 29. And its frequency is 3. It's between 2 and 4. So it's going like 2, 3 and 4. Its frequency is 3. Then it is 30 to 39. And the frequency is, this is 4, 4. Keep on writing with me, right? So that you can stop in between whenever needed. So 40 to 49, the frequency, it's 7, between 6 to 8. 7 is this. And 50 to 59, it's 9. Okay. Now let's take the point. Smallest possible difference. That means A should be as low as possible and B should be as high as possible. We have to find this, right? That is simple. But the point is, word question says smallest possible differences. So we just add here, it should be minimum and it should be maximum, right? That is the point. Now if we have to take minimum, so we will consider this lower interval. Now I am doing, this is the data and this is the frequency, right? So here I am doing XIFI, and because I need minimum, so I'll take 10. So 10 times 0 is 0, 20 times 3 is 60, 120, 40 times 7. Okay, let me write it in total detail. So that is 10 times 0, 20 times 3, 30 times 4, 40 times 7, 50 times 9, calculate all of them and then just add them. So that will be sigma of xi fi. Okay, use the calculator, that is 910. So mean of A, which is minimum, is equal to 910 over sigma of fi is 30. So sum of xi fi over total number of observations. Okay, so that is 39.565. Okay, so that is the mean of data set A. Now let's come to data set B. First, we will write the bins, and because we have done it before, so I am writing it directly. 10 to 19, 20 to 29, 30 to 39, 40 to 49, and 50 to 59. Okay, and what is this frequency between 2 and 3? 3, 4, 7 and 9. That is same. The only difference is it's just shifted to 10 to 20. Here 0 is from 50 to 60. Here 0 is from 0 to 10. But otherwise, okay, let's write it 3. Otherwise the frequencies are same. Okay, now let's find frequency for everything. So 10 to 19, the frequency is 3, and then 4, and then 7, and then 9, and then 0. Now again we will do xi fi. This xi is the data here and fi is the frequency. So because we need maximum, we will do 19 times 3, and then 4 times 29, and then 7 times 39, and then 49 times 9, and this is 0. And after that we will take sum of all of these. Okay, go with the calculator. Yes, that is 38.565. So mean, no, I need to write the sum here. So that is 887. Now I need to find the mean of B, which is we are taking the maximum. So that is equal to sum of all observations over number of observations. So that is 38.565. Okay, for A it's 39.565 and for B it's 38.585. So we have to find the difference A, which is minimum, and mean of B, here it is maximum. So it's 39.565 minus 38.565, which is 1. Let's see the options. So here, yes. So options are 0, 1, 10 and 15. Okay, that means B is the correct option. See, this question has many concepts in between, and this is statistics. A data is given to you. How you interpret this and how you calculate the data or the central tendencies, that may vary, but yes, this is the approach I am taking. So I hope that is clear.